Welcome to day 7 of our CapCut Beginner series. You've learned how to edit in CapCut, how to download CapCut in your phone, how to upload your videos or clips to CapCut, how to split, how to add transitions, how to add text, filters and sounds. Now, it's time to export your masterpiece in HD. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Let's go. To export your work, first review your edits. Tap on the play button. Make sure your chords, transitions and text are clean. No gaps or extra clips. Next, you're going to set your resolution. For crisp visuals, look up, click on the Ultra HD. Then set your resolution to 180p or 4K if you're a subscriber to CapCut. If not, you will not be able to use it. Once you are done, tap on Export to save your work. Now you can post your video to your social media platforms from here. And when uploading to any of the social media platforms, add your captions, hashtags, cover image, description, and then post your video. And if you don't want to post the video immediately, just click on Done and the video will be saved in your phone until when you are ready to post it. Let's check my phone gallery and you will see that the video is here. Boom! That's the video. I can even play it for you. And that's it. You just completed week 1 of the CapCut Beginner series. Drop a comment if you want me to start week 2, where we will dive into advanced effects, transitions, and viral edit styles. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit on the like button, share the video, and also follow for more. See you on the next one. Bye.